Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1502 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right there, we have the master light switch for the room together with the do not disturb switch. There we have the in-room breakfast dining menu. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here, we have the ironing board, an iron, together with a shelf right above for storage. All right here, we have the wardrobe area with the in-room slippers below, torchlight, hangers right above, bathrobes, and another shelf right above for storage. Right here, we have storage below, the weighing scale, drawers, place to put luggage, place to hang items on, and another storage shelf right above. Opposite the wardrobe area, we have light switches for the bathroom, and speaking of the bathroom, here's the sliding door to enter it, and within the sliding door there's a floor to ceiling mirror. Hello? Okay, as you enter the bathroom, we have the toilet to the right, couple of toilet rolls, hangers right above. There we have the shower area with the towel. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. To the corner, we have the usual shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel, or shower gel if you will. And there's a place to sit right there. Down there, we have the bin with the hairdryer right there, and the sink area where there are a couple of glasses, bar of soap, bottle of conditioner. Sorry, not conditioner, bottle of lotion. We have the bathroom amenities right there, towels, box of tissues, and we have mirrors around the sink area. There's a shaving mirror right there with a power outlet down below. Right here, we have the bathtub, and we can look into the bedroom from the bathroom. But if you want more privacy, the sliding door shuts off this area right here. Okay, so here we have bottles of water with a power outlet, a light right above. Right here we have all the snacks, tea and coffee making stuff, mugs, glasses, spoons and whatnot. Here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can still put your own items in there, and the first round of drinks in the fridge are complimentary. We have storage right here together with the kettle. Down there we have the bin. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the recyclable items to the left and the non-recyclable items to the right. Right above we have the flat screen LG TV. And it is a twin bedroom, so we have one bed to the left and one bed to the right, together with the bedside table in the middle. The bedside table, we have a storage, a drawer, the TV remote with the TV guide below the remote, writing materials, in-room telephone, clock, all the various light switches for the room, together with a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB-A ports. We have a couple of lights right above, as well as lights behind the headboard. And as mentioned earlier, this door can be closed. There we have the climate control panel, as well as a power outlet below. And further inside, we have the desk area, a chair, storage surfaces, a lights behind the panel. And there we have the sofa area with a table. As for the view out, we can see Gurney Drive down there, the new park that is built next to Gurney Drive, the sea in the distance, the hotel that is next to Penang Marriott, and the various condominiums and buildings in the area as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1502 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.